Hello everyone, welcome to the last lesson of this course, the advanced lesson on keyframe animation. In this lesson, we will use all the knowledge we've learned so far to create an advanced keyframe animation video. Let's get started. First, we need to start a new project. Go to the library and search for pure black background video. Select the first result and type on it to add it to the timeline. By default, the clip is 3 seconds long, which is too short. Let's extend it. Drag the end of the clip to make it 7 seconds long. Now let's add text to our black background video. Go back to the main edit panel. Tap on text and select add text. As an example, let's type in "Life is a journey." Now let's choose a better font. Scroll down to explore more font options. For example, let's select this font. Then type on the check mark to confirm and add the text to the timeline. The default duration of the text here is 3 seconds, but we need to match the background video. Let's extend it to 7 seconds also. Now let's animate the text using keyframe we've learned in the previous lesson. Move the text off screen to the right so that it's hidden. Move the playhead to the first second and add a keyframe. Move the playhead to the fourth second. Drag the text back to the center of the screen. Now we have created a simple keyframe animation. Let's play it back to check the movements. Yes, all looks pretty good. If we look closely, we can see that the default resolution of our black background video is 480 pixels, which isn't clear enough. So tap the resolution settings and change it to 1080 pixels. Then tap export to save the video. For this keyframe animation video, let's just call it video 1. Now let's create an overlay effect using video 1. Start a new project and add video 1 to the timeline. Add another demonstration video which we call it video 2. Select video 1 and go to overlay and type on it. Now video 1 will be placed on a separate track under the main video. Let's tap the play button to view. Well, it's all good. Next, select video 1 and move the playhead to the fourth second and split. Now video 1 has been divided into 2 parts. Select the second part of video 1 and go to mask. Select horizontal masking and tap the check mark to confirm. Now select the second part of video 1. Type on duplicate. Now we have the third part of video 1. Drag the third part of video 1 to a new track and align it with the second part of video 1. Apply horizontal masking to the third part of video 1. And type on invert. Next, let's add some splice effects to our clips. Select the first part of video 1. Go to splice and choose darkening effect. Repeat for the second and third parts, applying the same effects. Now we will add animation to the clips. Select the second part of video 1. Go to animation, after animation, and scroll down to find the slide up and type on it. Set the duration of animation to 1 second. Select the third part of video 1. Go to animation, after animation, and scroll down to find slide down. Set the duration to 1 second also. Let's type to view it again. Looks great. To make the video more engaging, let's add background music. Go to the audio feature, type on extract. Select a video file that contains the desired background music. Type extract and add audio to the timeline. Align and trim the audio track with the video track. After making final adjustments, tap to play the video again to ensure everything syncs well. From what we see, everything looks so great. That's it for today's lesson. You've created a professional keyframe animation video using all the techniques we've covered. The videos and the background music used in this tutorial are included in the attachments. Please download them and follow along to create your own keyframe animation video as practice of this lesson, just like the one demonstrated here. Thank you for watching and congratulations to all of you guys for successfully completing the CapCut mobile version course. You have now mastered the tools and the techniques to bring your creative visions to life. With the skills you've acquired, you are well equipped to produce outstanding and captivating video content that will engage and inspire your audience. Remember, the key to great storytelling lies in your unique perspective and creativity. So go ahead, experiment, and let your imagination soar. We can't wait to see the amazing videos you will create. Keep pushing boundaries and make your mark in the world of digital content. Well done and best of luck on your creative journey.